Hi guys, how are you? Today the topic which I have selected to demonstrate you is the word art. How to create a word art. Here we will discuss about the two methods. One is the Google Cloud, Google Docs, and the second one is the website, another website. Okay, let's begin with the Google Cloud. For creating a word art, first of all, you should log in with your Gmail account, and in your directory you will open your Google Docs. By clicking on it, there is Google Docs. Click on the blank document. Okay, what we will do, we will add the extension. We will add on the extension of the word generator. Here is the extension tab. Click on it, add on, and get add on. Here you will try Word. The first option will be Word Cloud Generator. Click on it. Three options will be appear. Click any one of them. Let's suppose I select it. So I have already installed. You can also select this one and this one according to your selection. It will be appear in the docs. Okay, I have already installed this. You can also select this one and this one. All are free. Okay, let's begin it. When you click on that tab, the extension will be added here. Okay, this was the first step. Now for creating a word art, we need a text. So I have already created a text, and you can also use the Google Scholar. Google Scholar, simply, let's suppose I want to create a word art for a data science. Okay, here I will select the data science, and the science rules. Okay, Google Scholar, data science rule here. Okay, the different papers will be appear here. We will going to select the role. Let's suppose click here, human resource. This is a research paper. Open PDF document and simply copy and paste here. I just quickly do this. Extract. Why am I doing this? I will show you this within minutes. I'm just creating a text here, just formatting it, not much, just introduction. Okay, file, here, and copy, simply paste. Okay, related word, simply copy, 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 copy. Okay, I think enough text has been pasted. Okay, now. Okay, now what we will do, simply we will go extension, select the word cloud generator. There are two options. Number one is classic and the other one is modern. Okay, start with the classic. See, here you can see there are only two colors, blue and purple, or light blue, you can say sky blue. And this is the classic style. You can also add words and use the word as well. Let's suppose I added 25 words. adjust. See, words have been minimized. If I add the 75 words, adjust it. See, cloud has been there. Okay, I think so. 51 is enough. Okay, this is our final word solution. Simply make downloadable. Click on it. Okay, now here is the message. Right click to save or copy image. Simply right click, save image, activity 101 doc. Right? Simply save it. It's a PNG file, doesn't matter, save it. This is the method one. Now for the second method, simply delete the text. Okay. Now what we will do, we will add here the data science rules and the skill set. We have already listed here. Simply copy it and paste here. Okay. Again, click on add section, and now we will use the modern style. Click here. See, data has been generated, and again you can use word count here, and I think these are enough. Simply I am clicking on downloadable. Okay, so it has been again downloadable. This was the first method. Now check our file. The computer, downloadables. Okay, open it from the pane. See, this is our word file, right? You can also crop it. Then we can size by adjusting the size as well. And for the second one, simply save it. For the second one, open it, print. Wow. This was the classic style. And can also white it as well. Okay, what the limitation here? Here the shape which is appearing here, it's not in our control. We want the shape as well to import a text in that shape, encapsulate. So the thing which I have realized is not being covered in Google Cloud. That's why I have found another method which I want to share. Okay, start with the second method. Let's close that. For a second method, simply open the Google Chrome and here the type word, word art. Enter it. See, the website has been opened. If you want to log in, sign up. It's up to you. It's a paid website. I will tell you how to get the word art from paid website, just like this, and your other one. Simply click on create. There are other options available here. Okay, what we will do, we will import here. Right click on this, and there is a text. Okay, the text which I have already have. Simply copy them and paste here. Well, automatically there is a built-in feature, remove common words, remove numbers, and spelling. Okay. Now the words would be appear here. Both words, the words have been added here. Now, what will be the second step? We will select the shape, redefine shape. Here are the shapes. Mm, let's select the shape cloud. Okay, and select it. Font style. Also here, let's select it. Should be visible now. Let's select. Okay, place here display. Okay, and selected it. Okay, let's check the again. Again, you can add the font as well. Shape. I have selected cloud. You can also select the another one, and the words already are here. Simply click on the visualize, and now let's see the magic. Okay, this is the cloud shape which is appear here. Okay, now you can also change the shape as well. Let's change the shape. This is a predefined shape. All I have selected. Let's emoji. Okay, simply visualize it. See, um, other one, others, yeah, the shapes. I'll show you last one. Okay, see. Wow, these are the shapes. Okay. When you go for a save option, it will may ask for a payment or other ones. So at the end, I will tell you how to get this word art without spending any money. Okay. And the other option that I want to discuss is word. Okay, these are the words which we have added in code. Let's suppose we just minimize them. We want to import a word from a web. Okay. So before beginning it, let's suppose I added data science blog. Okay. Here's the website. I click on it. Okay. For word adding, um, click on the web, and here is asking for URL. The URL here, simply copy it and paste here. Copy and paste. And simply import words. The words have been added here from the website. Okay, now the second option. Second option is you can here from the website we have added words, and you can also remove them, another word can be added, and so on. You can also place this word from the top like this and down like this. Okay, that's up to you. Now another option is just for customization shapes. These are the predefined shapes. You can also add your shape and here. So what we will do simply, first of all, we open the image, vector, vector color images, right? Simply search it. These are the images. We want to encapsulate the words in our predefined shape. We can design also as well. Here we will discuss. Let's suppose you have selected this. Simply click on it and copy image address. Click on it here, import image, simply paste the address here and load. Okay, here you can adjust the threshold, edges, it's up to you. See, these are the edges. Right. Okay, okay. See, image has been imported. What we will do is simply you can also change the fonts as well. Okay, and simply visualize it. See, and let's get another example. Select the image. Mm, you can also select any image. It's up to you. Um, let's select this image. Okay. Simply again copy image address here, add image, change the URL, paste the URL, load it, adjust the sharpness. Okay, see image has been added. Visualize it. Okay. So this is all about word art and how you can take this simply take a screenshot of it, open paint and simply paste it, crop it and save it. So this is the trick how to get the word art from the paid website at your own shapes by using the predefined shapes and using your own shapes as we have discussed. Hope that you like this video. Please comment me if you want to see more this type of videos and other related with the data science. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.